Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Crown. Today we are going to cover seafood lasagna recipe. Imagine a lasagna so decadent. It's served in seaside trattorias along the Amalfi Coast. Layers of al dente pasta, plump Gulf shrimp, sweet lump crab, and a velvety bechamel sauce infused with white wine and fresh herbs. Today, we're elevating lasagna to gourmet status. No shortcuts, just chef-approved techniques. Let's create a masterpiece. Let's get everything ready. We'll need fresh lasagna sheets, jumbo shrimp, lump crab, Parmigiano Reggiano, fresh basil, and heavy cream. This recipe serves 8, perfect for a special meal. Start with large shrimp, 16 to 20 count is best. Devein them carefully for a clean bite. Now, let's build flavor. Sauté minced shallots and garlic in extra virgin olive oil. Listen to that sizzle. It's the start of something delicious. Time to deglaze. A splash of dry white wine lifts all those tasty caramelized bits from the pan. That's where the deep flavor comes from. Pro tip: Sauvignon Blanc works great for this. Now gently fold in fresh lump crab. Be careful. Crab is delicate, and over-mixing can break it apart. Always go for real crab. Imitation just won't have the same sweetness. A good bechamel starts with a simple roux. Melted butter and flour cooked until it smells nutty. Slowly pour in warm milk, whisking constantly. This keeps the sauce silky and lump-free. Take your time. Patience makes it perfect. A little nutmeg adds warmth, and freshly cracked telecherry pepper gives it a bold kick. Small details make a big difference. Start with a thin layer of bechamel. This keeps everything from sticking. Next, add fresh pasta sheets. Blanch them for 60 seconds to keep a nice bite. Spread the shrimp and crab evenly. This way, every bite gets seafood goodness. For the best melt, use a mix. Mozzarella for stretch, fontina for richness. This isn't just layering, it's building flavor in every bite. Pause here. If you're loving this, our free 20-recipe lasagna guide includes a lobster Thermidor version and a truffle-mushroom twist. Grab it now. It's your ticket to becoming a lasagna virtuoso. Bake covered to steam the layers into tenderness, then uncover to activate the Maillard reaction. That's the science behind your golden crust. Use a probe thermometer. 165 degrees bars ensures food safety without overcooking the seafood. Resting is critical. Proteins relax, sauces thicken, and you'll achieve clean cuts worthy of a chef's knife. Behold, layers of oceanic luxury, creamy bechamel, and al dente pasta. A dish that's as stunning as it is succulent. For more chef-driven recipes like this, grab our free guide and subscribe. Your next dinner party depends on it.